this video we will make a bed operation where we can add, update, delete, and do some other thing and a bed operations. So let's do create a model for that. PHP artisan make model, and model name is bed hyphen m. It will generate migration as well. So let add the migration. Dollar table has string, and a string is a bed number. The bed, what is the bed number? It will be unique. It will be unique, but in every room it will be unique. Okay. Dollar string for origin ID. Where we pass room ID, constraint, rooms, cascade, and delete. This one is perfect. Now the next one we will add description. Origin ID, description. Sorry, not a origin ID, long text. And okay, that's enough. Let's go to model and add this thing in available property. First, define the table. Dollar table equal to, and table name is bed. And second one is per variable property. Variable equal to has room, has bed number, has room ID, and has description. That's perfect. Now let's make a controller for that. PHP artisan make a controller, and controller name his admin has a bed controller. Sorry, it is bed controller, not a B controller. Sorry. Remove the old one thing. This one and this one. We will remove. That's okay. Now go to here and write the functions for that. First function is the index function where we return all the beds to show in a view file. So dollar bed equal to bed power model and latest get return view admin dot bed dot list has compact and beds. The next one is for create function where we show the create palm to create a bed. For this we will render the all the rooms because we will select the room for the bed. Let us and get return view admin dot bed dot create and rooms. This one also perfect. Now the second function is for the third function is for store. And this in this function we will store the data which is come from the farm, and the PAM data is in a form of request. So request dollar request. First we will validate bed number has required, room ID has required, and exist in a beds which has ID. And the third one is description. It also required. Perfect. Now store this validate in a validate variable, and now import the bed model and call the create function and pass the dollar validate. That's it. And return to underscore route admin dot bed dot list has with success and bed 8 successful. This one is done. Now format the document and go to the another side. Its name is public function, and this one for edit pass the ID, and here we return dollar bed equal to bed find or fail. If not found, then it will throw 404 not found, 404 error because this data is not found. Return view admin dot bit dot update not edit. We will change to update. This one is update, and here we pass rooms, so we need to get the rooms because we will check also select and update palm to add the room, and also check by default room is selected or not. Room latest and get. Okay, now then copy the store function and change the name to it update. This one is update. Okay, bed number, room ID, and description. This is bed. We will do find or fail has update and pass here ID. The ID is get from the URL, and this one is ID and bed update successfully. The last function is for the delete. For delete public function delete. The delete is easy method. So this is bed and destroy dollar ID destroy, and copy this, go here and paste it there and change name to delete. The bed control is done. Now go to the route web.php file and duplicate this one and change to bed controller from the admin and change this thing to the bed. Just simple. Now go to the admin folder and admin has notice. So which one need to copy? The branch one. Where is the branch? This. Okay. And rename it to bed. So perfect. Now let's create branch. So this will be bed. Go back. Branch has bed. Create bed farm. Bed has bed number. Change to bed number. Bed number. I think it's like that. Yeah. And the second one is bed category. Change to room cat room. And this is room ID. So change it to room ID. Select room and room and also change this to room. This one is perfect and room has let's check I think it is room number, not it's room number. Room okay. And the last one has description. Is there in a text area? No. Okay, so you will remove this thing, description, and this one also description. Enter description. Perfect. Now format the document. Now this one is good. Let's do the list. For list we will duplicate this and change to bed, and bed has ID, and also change the branch to bed number, room ID, and description. So let's make the relationship for that. So go to the bed.php model and change to public function room return dollar this belongs to room has class has room ID. Great. Now let's go again here. And this is bed, remove this E, and so let this is bed number, and remove the image, duplicate, has room and room number, and the last one has this. Go to create and copy this thing, hit the int copy and paste it here. First change the name of these thing, so it is a bed, and this one also the bed, and now paste from there, select there. Now for the alt, control D, change dollar bed has description. Okay, and the last one is select, and dollar room has ID if equal to dollar bed has room ID, so it will be selected. Now go to sidebar, and this is the notice that this is a bed manager, and room is bed, and change to bed has list. Permit document and migration page. Migrate. It's migrating. Now go to here, reloading, go to bed, add new bed. Let's bed number has 1 2 3. Select the room. So for that rooms number has 1 1. Room ID AC room charges has 300. PKR and submit. Reload this. Bed number has 1 2 3. Room has this, and submit. Room ID is in Y. Sorry, not a bed. Let's ID is not working. Room ID. Sorry, here also invalid. Met again. Creates it. This is not a good updated. And updated, I think it through the error. It's told rooms at not. It's room, not rooms. So let the text submit, but this is working now. Now in next video we will assign the bed to a user, but before this we will add members, because where to assign the beds to specific user or specific member to assign the bed. So next video we will do a members, to add members, update members, delete members, and do these things. So thanks for watching.